Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and on this video we're going to be personalizing this Rtic mug, so don't go anywhere. I got a couple of neighbors that are pretty cool, and I'm always messing with them because they like the Cowboys. I personally don't care for the Cowboys. I can care less if they win or lose, but I'm gonna make them a couple of mugs. It's two of my neighbors, so I have some of these mugs right here. So I picked this color because it looks kind of like the cowboy colors. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the logo, the Cowboys logo on it, and then I'm gonna put their names. So I already got one set up and it's ready to go. So let's see what it looks like, okay? I'm gonna be engraving at 20%, 12 inches per second, and it's gonna be 420 lines per inch. So here it goes. Okay, so that's done. All I gotta do now is put the names. On this one I kind of messed up, I didn't pay attention. The logo it's off. On this one I didn't pay attention. I was supposed to put the logo right on top of the Rtic logo. I didn't pay attention, but that's okay. It's okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the names. Okay, so we got the names done on both of them. So now all we gotta do is just go clean them, wash them, see what they look like. And to clean them, I use this stuff right here. Just kind of spray it. Now let it sit for a little bit. And then I use one of these instead of using the eraser. I don't like the eraser. I don't like the way it works. And then I put some hand cleaner in here. There you go. Put some hand cleaner. And just grab it. I don't like the way this one looks. It's not like really shiny. It's not. Really don't like it. That's it. That's all I do. See, like this one looks a lot better than that other one. Same power, same everything. But for some reason, one of them looks like, see that? That looks really nice. It looks really good, but watch. See how it looks all dirty? I don't know what the deal is. What the heck? I gotta take the sticker out. And that's it. So all I gotta do now is dry them. See, at this point, if I don't like the way it looks, then I do the eraser. But heck, these are free, so I'm not charging for this one, so I'm just gonna give it to them for free. So I really don't care. Yeah, see how they, I mean, to me, they don't look that good. The name looks really good. It's nice and shiny. It looks really nice. But this, I have no idea what the heck. I don't know what the heck is wrong with it. Again, you know, same power, same everything. I didn't change the settings for anything. Everything was the same. I know it's me. I know it's not the machine. So there you go, guys. 2 Rtic cups. Again, this one looks really nice. The name looks really nice, but look at the logo. The logo looks so dirty. I mean, they look decent, but I don't know. But yeah, that's it. I mean, like I said, these are gifts, so I really don't care. Over time, you know, while they wash them, it'll come off. Not the logo, but the dirtiness, it'll clean up. I know, because I got a couple of them that they actually look better now. But yeah, guys, this is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like it. I need to turn this thing off. But yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. It was a pleasure, like always. Thank you, guys. If you guys want me to do something, if you want to see me doing a certain video, let me know in the comments below. Thank you, guys. It was a pleasure, like always. God bless you. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye now. Adios. God bless you. See you later. Bye bye.